It's a soup or sauce?
I don't know. If it's not soup, then I've done a very grave mistake.
Oh no.
하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요, 여러분.
저는 마이제입니다.
저는 벤저민입니다.
My name is Ryan, and today we are exploring all the Korean budget food we can find around in Singapore.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, that's about it. So, let's go.
Feel too good. For our first location, we are at NiuNiu tea and DuDu rice.
Why this unique name leh?
Because right, he got two daughters, and his daughter name is NiuNiu and DuDu.
NiuNiu and DuDu.
Because NiuNiu born in the year of ox.
Okay.
And DuDu born in the year of chicken. Daughters right have such a unique name right. The owner also got a very unique name.
What?
Ryan Tan.
I pity the owner that has the same name as me, right? Because I guess during the saga, right, every time he go on news, right, he was scared.
Ryan Tan divorced and 忘记是 divorce.
Okay, so what we are having is cheesy tteokbokki.
Yes.
And the next dish is what I call the Korean yong tau foo / oden. And they call it imo. So we are going to try the spicy cheesy tteokbokki without the cheese first, okay?
The sauce doesn't look very thick.
No, I know what you're thinking. I thought the same thing. You try the soup first.
It's a soup or sauce?
I don't know. If it's not soup, then I've done a very grave mistake.
Oh no. It's a little bit deceiving because it doesn't look very thick and creamy.
I guess for those that tried tteokbokki before, you will know exactly how the texture is like. It's very bitey, very bouncy, coated with this very thick sauce. It has this a little bit of spicy flavor, not too overwhelming.
Actually, I like it because right, normally tteokbokki meant to be spicy one. So spicy, right? That guy looked like he just took a shower.
No, why is it so hot? No, it's not very spicy. But I don't know, it's making me sad.
Normally, when I eat tteokbokki, right, it's super spicy. Because I think Koreans like it more spicy, right? But this catered to Singaporeans' taste buds because I can take it without having to keep it.
Oh, yeah. Actually, what is this red sauce, man?
Is it gochujang?
Gochujang.
Wait, sorry. They can't have this joke.
You are showering.
I guess you can say this dish hit him like a 222.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to try the one with the cheese version. I'm not sure how much it will improve.
Actually, right, it's better with the cheese because the sauce, right, is very sweet and very flavorful, right? But the cheese adds like a milky, it neutralizes the sweetness a bit.
哇，还有那个 stringy cheese.
That's why it's called string cheese.
Is it? Oh, I didn't know. Sorry. Nobody can know everything. Okay? So I love food, but it doesn't mean I know every single thing.
Correct.
Right.
I get why Nigel say it neutralizes the sweet taste, but for me personally, I'm not a cheese lover. It covers what I like.
Yeah, same.
I prefer the sweetness of the gochujang. Nigel don't like gochujang, that's why.
I don't like.
He don't like.
Yeah, I don't like.
That's why I think the cheese is a good substitute for him.
Okay, next up we are having the imo. I guess it's just a combination and a myriad of fish cakes.
Okay.
When I eat this kind of dish, right, the only thing that's different is probably the soup.
I don't want to sound mean, but I think these are all the processed version of the...
Correct.
Yeah.
But I just put it down and drink the soup.
Yeah.
I think the soup.
It's a bit 清清甜甜one.
Yeah,
It's very tian to me.
Light and sweet. Light as in like refreshing light. Not light on the taste.
Very palatable.
Yeah, palatable.
When I first look, right, because it looks very clear, very清淡, right, I thought it's gonna be something that I drink when I'm sick.
Right.
Like
or a cold rainy day.
Cold rainy day, I want to drink something more clean, right? But when I tasted it, it was flavorful and it was sweet, but it's deceiving at the looks of it. I feel like this bowl so good on a rainy day. This tteokbokki plus this oden soup, right? You 打包回家，你在你的 computer 面前吃 right?
Watch Korean drama.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm just gonna not beat around the bush. Not my thing, but I can see the appeal. Which of these two is your favorite?
Confirm the oden
I
soup.
would say the oden soup.
Okay.
Okay, it's not an oden soup. It's
imo.
I think the imo is far better than what I expected.
Yeah.
Right.
Because when I look at it, I honestly have no expectation, and it exceeded my expectation.
Yes.
For the spicy cheesy tteokbokki, right, it's $3.50.
Wow.
For the imo, right, it's $3.
That's very affordable.
For 5 piece of this one, I think damn good because right, like I'm someone that I like to order things from different places. You know, and since you're at a hawker center, right, let's say 我买我的一盘鸡饭，然后买这个 soup go home, right, bring back home and eat, right, wow, perfect combination.
So do come down and give it a try. We are heading to the next location. 看价。 We are at the second location, Jade Chicken. Okay, so what?
I thought you were
This chicken. I said, okay,
sorry.
Hold on. For the second location, we are at Jade's Chicken. Is it correct?
Correct.
We are having the original chicken, the soy sauce chicken, and the
Honey butter chicken.
yes. We have also two sauces. One is the wasabi mayo, another one is the
Honey mustard.
wow. You did your homework.
It's written on the menu.
So we will try with the original
Yes,
one
must
first.
go with the original first,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
To see whether their chicken good enough or not.
Yes.
Okay.
So the thing about Korean fried chicken, right, that I have learned, right?
Right.
It's more lightly
Better.
better, yeah,
Yeah.
compared to American style where it's a
Very thick
lot of,
lah.
yeah, very thick.
Oh, it's very, very crispy. MASISSEOYO.
I tell you, Koreans when they act right for eating shots, always make me hungry.
That's why they come out with mukbang.
Eat it.
The chicken inside is moist and juicy.
Yes.
Outside is slightly better and crispy. There's no other fancy taste like you know KFC original got the herbs and spices, right?
Yeah.
So this is a very straightforward crispy
yeah.
chicken.
Not too complicated.
Yeah.
And also because I saw, right, on their storefront, right, they even tell you how long they take to cook. Which means they take the time to fry the chicken very seriously. That's why I think everything come out right. The consistency will be there.
Another thing special, right, is that the chicken, right, is made when you order it. They don't pre-make it, then you order, then they just
Right.
like.
Freshly fresh.
Is it like that?
Normally when I eat fried chicken, I cannot take it when there's no chili sauce. So I was a bit disappointed when 他们只有这两个 sauce.
Right.
When I try the sauce, it's good to the point. I'm gonna introduce you all the new word of the day.
Oh, what's the new word of the day?
Today the word of the day is piquant.
Wow, I never heard this before.
I forgot how to spell it. Basically, it means a sharp taste or appetizing flavor. When I dip the honey mustard.
Right.
Wow,
Oh,
that
the
one,
honey mustard. The honey mustard is the winner here.
it was piquant.
Then we'll move on to the soy sauce flavor. Wow. Just now when I thought the chicken was moist and tender, right? This one is another level of moist. It's dripping. I'll say, although the soy sauce lends a sweet profile to the chicken, right? It lost on the crispiness. Not as crispy as the thing. Understandable because it's a bit soggy. But if you are someone that prefer the sweeter flavor, you will prefer this. Okay, the last one. This one I a bit scared. This one like super complicated. I feel fried chicken should be eaten as simple as possible. No fuss. But okay, let's give it a try. Wow. I always say in this show, taste is subjective. Some people like it, some people don't. And for this, I really don't like it. It's way too sweet.
Yeah.
It's like a dessert. We don't know. Maybe Koreans, they like it. And this is how they eat it. So this could be something that is very catered to authentic Korean taste.
You all know the almond that they sell, the Korean one? It tastes like that,
Yes.
but a lot more sweeter.
Yeah.
If I can make a suggestion, right, I'd rather they use it as a dip.
Yeah.
Like they put the powder on one side. Or I feel it's too sweet because, right, they just jam the whole flour on top.
You'll be very jelak if you have to finish the whole
Yeah.
thing. But if it's at the side, you can slowly add
maybe
some
that'll be
parts.
better.
Yeah.
Out of these three, my favorite will be the original crispy one with the honey mustard.
Yes, same for me.
I like my chicken flavored
Right.
because that's how you differentiate each store. And I like the soy sauce one. It's not overbearingly sweet. It complements the chicken very well. I feel like it brings me to Korea.
You got go Korea before me?
I went Japan, then I got transit flight.
You at Korea, the airport already. So overall, both our favorite is the original crispy. Ben's favorite is the soy sauce one. So on to the next location.
Dubai.
Okay, for the last place, we are at Fernville at this place called GAHE Traditional Korean Cuisine.
Based on my 3 hours experience in Incheon Airport, right?
Okay.
3 hours,
3 hours.
Season traveler.
Yes. I can say I've been to Korea. Right. I feel like this whole setup it gives a very authentic Korean vibe.
Yeah.
Right.
They got the banchan.
Yeah, they got the banchan, even down to the utensils they use, right?
yeah,
It's so authentic. And on first look, all the food that we have, right?
It's like restaurant quality.
Yeah,
Yes,
it looks
yes.
very good.
The
I
presentation
was very
is
shocked
good.
because when I saw how they present the food, I was
Yeah.
like, wait, isn't this a hawker
Yeah.
kopitiam? Why
Yeah.
is it so nice?
So what we are having, right, is the bibimbap, the ginseng soup, and the jjajangmyeon.
Yes. A bit of the background story is the owner have been working with Korean food for the last 17 years.
Yo.
Wow, so 不简单了，这个。
Based on my 3 hours experience at Incheon Airport, right, I have to say because I'm a fan of Korean food.
Right.
When I went there to eat, it was just a food court right? But it was somewhat authentic because it's Korean people cooking, right? Really differs a lot from Singapore one.
Bye.
I'm very excited to try this because it looks like what I had in the Incheon airport.
Actually, one fun fact I found out, right, is that when I went to Korea, when I ate the Korean food there, it's 比较清淡.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because I realized that the people that brought Korean food to Singapore, they actually make it more flavorful because to suit the palate of Singaporeans.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. Speaking of flavorful, please try the soup.
Okay, so I guess we are starting with the ginseng chicken soup.
Yes, this is cream la, the cream piastri sister coup de grace. He even beats out some of the Korean ginseng chicken soup that I try in restaurants, and I have to pay like so much more. And this is less than $10.
Huh?
Can you believe that this is? No, your reaction is not it's ginger.
Can taste the ginseng.
Yeah, and at first, normally when I drink this kind of thing, right, all I can say is herbalicious. But this one, I feel like is the essence of the ginseng boiled into the soup.
Wait. So I was thinking, right, the authentic Korean ginseng chicken soup, right, inside they will put glutinous rice. Then I say, if you sell less than $10, maybe in Hong Kong you never put. But they still have the rice inside.
What the f?
Wow, so. Wow, this is as authentic as you can get it.
And we haven't even tasted it.
We haven't tasted the rest yet.
Wait, okay. I just have to say, right, the glutinous rice, usually glutinous rice is supposed to be tasteless.
Yeah.
Right. And with the essence of the ginseng, it fits very well together, I feel.
I dare to say this.
You're there, huh?
By far, the best Korean ginseng chicken soup I tried.
So far.
Even regardless of price, I have eaten ginseng chicken soup that's like freaking $40, and this less than $10 is still better.
Wow.
I dare to say.
This one is 有新煮的.
Yo,
Yeah.
新煮的.
So for $9.90, you get this, you get the banchan. I think it's damn good value. And the banchan, right, I don't know is the owner don't understand what we're asking them. We ask them whether it's refillable.
Yes.
They say, yeah.
They say like if you need, then they will.
Yeah.
But don't go and take advantage of them lah. I don't know how I can move on to the rest.
I'm very hard to move on. I highly doubt any of this can beat lah. But let's go next to the bibimbap. Okay, so bibimbap to me is like health food. 健康食物. I immediately lost all my appetite. This one is even more shocking. This is $7.90. $6.90 if you don't want a stone bowl, but $7.90 if you want a stone bowl.
Wait. I don't really like to eat Korean food, but this is nice.
I don't get it.
It's very nice.
It's different.
Yeah.
I just can tell you, it's very different from the typical bibimbap that you eat in food court.
Yeah, there's this chart taste to the rice.
Yeah, I would say the flavor of this whole rice bowl, right, is smoky. It has a smoky flavor. Very strange. You would expect other bibimbap to have this one, but I never tried one in Singapore like that. This one really infuses the smokiness into the rice already.
But I have to say that this feels like it suits more Singaporean taste. Right, it doesn't feel like a full-on Korean dish.
Is it because of the wok hei?
Yeah, I think it's because of the wok hei.
Remember just now when I say, right, I always think this is a healthy food, right? It's because whenever I go eat bibimbap, right, it doesn't have much taste. This one is downright simple, man.
We always say wok hei on this show, right? But I have to reiterate how smoky this dish is. Is every bite all got that smoky and charred taste on it.
I will say this once again, that this is the best bibimbap I eat in Singapore also.
Actually,
regardless of price, it's $7.90 You can't beat this
Very worth.
I will add another comment. I will travel all the way here to eat this. If you want to eat Korean food that is good, okay, regardless of price, right, this place.
It's really restaurant quality and restaurant standard.
Wow, this is 2 out of 3 I don't even dare to go to the third one.
Moving on, we shall try their...
Jia meat. I noticed that the noodle that they use is I think it's the Korean noodles, which is like QQ one.
right, it looks very bouncy.
It looks very thick.
Wow, very flavorful.
Wow.
They really outshine. I'm shook
Honestly, right, when I eat the ginseng soup, right, I was like, wow, shit, 这个已经最好了.
Yeah,
the two normal dish won't be. Then we eat the bibimbap. The bibimbap was like, wow, the smokiness damn interesting, damn special. That's like, jajangmyeon.
Cannot be out of 3 or hit one.
What the hell?
Oh, it's all very three good dishes.
Yeah.
Very good.
I understand we ate it in the right order. It gets more intense and more intense and more. This one is the ultimate intense bomb, flavor bomb.
I like jajangmyeon because I like black bean sauce, right? But they always get it wrong. This is the one and only time I feel like they got it right.
Because I don't eat this. This is my first time. So, am I right to say I should hold it all to this standard?
Wow, this is very high
This is
standard.
very high. Then you Hong Kong already. You cannot find it.
Yeah, this is very high.
Yeah,
But this is very good.
Very good.
This is $7.90 again.
Oh my god.
This I dare to say is by far right the best food that our producers ever found. I have to say honest. I have to say honest.
Hey,
this one is really good. This one I really have to say. This one. Round of applause. This is legit very good. This is too good, right? That I have to break the rules already. We have to put our producer into the KOL list. If the leaderboard is right here, number 3. I straight away go into number 3. This is too good and the value is too
Yeah, the
good.
value is very good.
It's
restaurant standard, but you pay kopitiam price.
Yeah. I go put it at number 3. That's my vote. I don't know what you're going.
I can go for number 3. I was gonna put at 2.
Oh, that's
Because every dish shit, you tell me, you take out these 2, right? You put this, right? I still can consider top 3. Now I got this.
Yeah.
Wow, I can consider top 3. None of this. Because I took everything into consideration. The location, it's far for someone like me, but it's just right beside the LRT. So I wouldn't say it's out of the way. The price super affordable.
Yeah, the price
Below
is-
$10 for any of these. 你还有拌菜.
right.
And the 拌菜, right, is not small portion one.
I refill.
And you can refill. Then the taste, it's awesome. It's premium style one eh.
I shall agree with Ben and we will put this Korean food at rank number 2. Oh, I'm very impressed. No fight.
This is the first time we eat already, right? I want to order more. Because right, their food is so consistent to the point where I feel like whatever I order will be good. You all must come now, right? Just order whatever, sure good one.
This is the first time also. We finished the dish.
Yeah. Don't
On
even,
camera.
cannot give crew try.
Yeah, full spot
We finished the dish already.
So with that, I guess it's safe to say that GAHE traditional Korean cuisine is the winner today. It's our favorite and they deserve a round of applause.
Yes, MASISSEOYO.
So with that, remember to follow all our socials, click here for more, click here to watch, and cut to the bloopers. So how many holes does a human have?
Yeah, you have one hole. One big asshole.